Hello there, happy holidays, and today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be making a URL shortener, and I'm going to put myself to the test by putting a stopwatch right here, and we'll just see how much time it takes me. I tried to stream this, but I couldn't figure out how to. So anyways, going to import, put multiple. I already gathered a list of stuff that I need right here. Also, you might notice that I am using Golang IntelliJ instead of my normal VS Code setup. It's because this looked really promising. It has a lot of cool features that VS Code doesn't offer. It's that Golang is specifically for Golang, and it does cost money. I'm just using the free trial right now, so I'm kind of cheap, but whatever. So here, let me see. I'm going to put myself on the timer right now. Okay. Oh, hold on. I can't even get to. Okay. So now go mod init. It's just init. Get init to initialize our Git project, and go get module path is enable integration, enable go modules. Yes, I need to enable that. Okay, import this, paste that, install this, going to install Bitcask, and Bitcask is for our key value database, and UUID is for our URL aliasing, and Fiber is our awesome express style URL framework. Okay, we gotta go fast. I can't explain much. Bitcask. Okay. Now we tab whatever. So let's say func main. Wait, why is it not unused import? Okay, whatever. I don't care about that. Fiber.new. And let's say app.get. Right here, and then let's create a public slash index.html. Oops, no, we need this to be a Go file. Okay. HTML refactor index.html. Okay, let's say small URL. Let's say here's our input ID equals, what do we want to call it? URL, and then we can say cancel. But wait, we gotta think this through. Button. Okay, what we got? Button shorten. And let's create a script tag. Function shorten, and on click equals shorten. Okay, and okay, let's just leave it like that for now. Let's say return ctx.send file public/index.html. Okay, and now, let's actually listen on our port. What do you want to And let's not port 8080, and I should probably wrap this around in a log.fatal. And okay. For now I think we can just comment those out. Okay, and oh yeah, let's just test this out. And why is it giving me an error? No, bad. Why you give me error? Okay, clear, go build, see if we have a simple server going. I don't want to. And URL, wait, it didn't even compile. Why is that? Oh, okay, it popped up right there. That's weird. Why did it take forever? Shortener. Okay, now. Okay. And, you might be wondering why I'm using go build instead of go run. It's because Windows is annoying, and that's all I have time to say. I need Linux. Okay, so we got this basic server. Let's open DevTools right there. Okay. Let's create another endpoint for our shortening. And let's say API/v1. And this is where we're going to shorten handler func shorten handler, and we're going to need ctx fiber.ctx. I think that's a pointer, and we're going to return an error. Okay. We also need shorten struct URL string. Okay, so with this, we're going to use body parser to parse the request into a struct that looks like that, and then we're going to shorten it. And okay, set equals, I don't know, this isn't a good name, but it's not time to think about that right now. And parse error equals ctx dot body parser out, and then we need set if error not equals nil, then we're going to return error. And why does it give me an error right here? Assignment mismatch 2 equals 1. So what is body parser actually return? Okay, oh, it only returns an error, sorry. Okay. Okay. And now what we can do is for loop we're going to create, why don't we define var id string. We're going to say id equals let's uncomment this out because we need it now. uuid dot new dot string, and let's get the first 5 of that. And this is where we're also going to need this to actually stop this from running. Okay, now we're going to use all of our stuff. So make dir db. This is going to be our database directory. Let's close that, we don't need it. So actually let's start this. Var db is a pointer to bitcast.bitcast and database db nothing equals bitcast. I know that's a bad practice, but we're really short on time right now. Open, and we're going to say db. So now that we've opened our database, we can now if db.get key byte id not equals, or here we go, here is what we want to do, or here we go. This is going to return an error, and if error not equals nil. So if it doesn't exist, we're going to break from the loop. Oh, okay. Right. Okay, so this returns. I love this, how strong typed languages are. Now I know all my mistakes before they reach production. Very nice. Okay. So what this is going to do, in fact, I'll actually write a comment. If ID, if this ID doesn't already exist, break from this loop. So what this loop is going to do is it's going to loop through all these different IDs until it can find that one perfect ID. So we're going to say db.put, and oh my gosh. Okay, so this is going to be the key, and the value is going to be set.url. And so what does put return? Put returns an error, right? Okay, so error equals, because we already defined it. Alright, we gotta convert this to byte. Okay. If error equals not equals, or if it not equals nil, then what we're going to do is we're going to return error. Otherwise, we're going to return, what do we want to return? We want to return ID, right? ctx.send string ID. So I have used the net/http built-in net/http package of Go, but Fiber just makes a lot of this much quicker, much easier, which is very nice. So I think that is all. So let's compile that, and this should return a shortened URL, right? Okay, well, now we actually have to work on the client side. Yay, I'm good at JavaScript. So async function const response equals fetch. We want to fetch API/version 1 and we're going to send some parameters. So this method type is going to be post, and then the headers are going to be content type. I wish this was camel case so I didn't have to put it in, so I don't have to put it in quotes. Okay, application slash JSON, and the body is going to be JSON.stringify. Here, why don't we declare this as a variable so that we don't have to locate it every time. Var or let, ooh, fancy, URL, and let's say window.onload equals, I'm going to URL equals document dot get element ID URL. I know that IDs are inherently variables. In JavaScript, that's like really hacky though, and I don't really want to do that, but that would save me some time. But no can't do that. URL and URL. Oh, that's kind of gross. Oh wait, no, that's the element. Okay, so can we do that? Okay, so and now we can get the response as text. Let's get some, let's say ally asked ID equals ally asked, or no, this should be in a ref tag, and then we can say this is so no, we don't need that. So what this is going to be, like the URL to the ally asked URL. Okay, so const shortened equals oh, and this is actually missing an await keyword, and let's say location dot host plus slash app plus response dot text. In this and why I have a ampersand sign right there is because that's going to be the starting of every ally asked URL. Okay, so and then what I can do, ally asked text, or why don't I say whatever, this is good enough. Alias text equals document dot get element by ID alias. Okay, so then we can say alias text dot ref equals shortened, and then alias text dot inner text equals shortened. There might be a okay, I should probably add semicolons all there for consistency, even though it's not really necessary. I see a lot of people do it though. So that looks good. Okay, why is that red? Scaring me. Okay, well, looks all good. Looks good. So let's check to make sure this is so. now that we got that client side working, we could now actually view our shortened URL. I mean, we could use Postman, but I don't have Postman. I should get Postman. I've seen a lot of people use it. Okay. Why was that go build too fast? Oh, I didn't type go build. Okay. URL shortener. Is it just okay? Okay, now let's try this. Let's ready it up. So let's take a look at our network tab. Okay, and sure, this is a URL that we're going to alias. Okay, shorten cross view. Oh, yay, we got it. Okay, very nice. Work first try. Very great. Okay, so I love that's working. So now we can say we can say this is going to be our parameter, so we can select anything there, which is very nice. Resolve URL, and this is just going to be a function that finds that alias, or finds the value of that alias in this key value database that we have called Bitcask. And I'm using Bitcask, by the way, because it's just like super simple and it's kind of minimalistic, so I don't need some big thing like Redis. Although I probably should use Redis, but I don't know. Okay, so ctx is a pointer to fiber.ctx, and then we're going to return an error, and we're going to get, byte. We're going to convert ctx.params URL, so we're going to get that, and I think so. This is going to be return the key and error. Key or URL error. Okay, so if error not equals to nil, then there's something wrong, so we're going to return error. This IntelliSense and code completion in Golang is just amazing. You see all that, it's amazing. Awesome. Even though I only have the free trial and I got it 2 days ago. Okay. Return ctx.redirect to URL. And oh, that's a byte, so we're going to convert that to that. So also I'm going to put what are you doing? No. Oops, I accidentally merged this. Okay, I'm pretty new too. Okay, we're gonna have to leave that, even as annoying as it is. Very sad. I don't know how to do this. I'm very new to oh, okay, that was easy. Okay, so I'm also going to add br. Oops. Okay, there you go. Now we have a space between that. So we're going to open that terminal again, I guess. Go build. In that DB folder, you can actually see some of this stuff. 00.data. That's interesting to look at that, I guess. Config.json. Okay, it looks like it finished compiling. Okay. So let's see. I want some. Okay. Let's refresh. Let's get this URL again. Let's shorten that. Okay, v1. Okay, so it looks like this. And it redirects like magic, boys. Okay, that's pretty nice. Now I'm going to I should probably end the video here, but let's fix this with Bootstrap so that that UI looks bad. And I could add some CSS, but any CSS that I add is never going to look as good as beautiful Bootstrap. Okay, so link, oops, man, them abbreviations are weird in Golang. Okay, so I'm going to load this asynchronously and defer it. Let's actually make this centered too. Let's add div, let's say style, a text align center, and let's say, let's just put that there. And this indentation looks a little off. It's bothering me, but whatever. Shoot. Class button btn primary. We're going to say this is going to be class equals form control, and we can also say width 100%. And I could do the class W100, but that never seems to work for me, so I don't know. Okay, and voila, it's already looking good. Oh, why is that there? What happened? Oh, we should also actually make this target blank. Okay, there you go. Why is this on a new line, on a separate line? So, right. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. Dot btn dash group. This, it's always going. It's going to be blocked anyways because it's full width. We need it to. We're going to give it a special class button group and make it nicely grouped together. And I'm way over the time limit, but okay, that looks nice. Let's add a header right here. H1 small URL, the quick and simple URL shortener. Okay. So that looks good. I want that full width though. Okay. Maybe if I add it to here, maybe if I add W100, maybe that'd work. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. Looks nice. That's a little too big now. Let's try 75%. Oh, no change. Did I save? Oh, okay, I didn't save. So that all looks pretty good. Oh, these are nice. Crying man. So, test again that this works. Now we got that pretty quick. Oh, that's not good. What happened? Oh. So it looks like we're not getting anything. Wait, so if ft1. Really, what's happening? Oh. Yeah. Okay, we just needed to reload. That was concerning for a second. I didn't want to have to dig through all that again. So I'm gonna end it right here. We went way over the time limit, and I think I'm going to publish this to Roku. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you have a happy holiday. I'm sure going to enjoy it. I can't wait to winter break. And yeah, I've been swamped with homework, so it's nice to get a break now. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching. This video was way longer than intended, but whatever. Okay, bye, thank you.